Want shiny, healthy hair using just a banana? Here's how. Start by selecting a ripe banana, known for its rich vitamins and minerals that rejuvenate hair. Begin the process by peeling and mashing the banana until smooth, ensuring no lumps. This mixture is a powerhouse of nutrients, ready to infuse life into your strands. Apply the banana puree directly to your hair, focusing on the ends, which are often the most damaged. The natural oils and vitamins in bananas provide a deep conditioning effect, reducing frizz and enhancing shine. To maximize absorption, cover your hair with a shower cap, locking in moisture and heat. Leave the banana mask on for 20 minutes. During this time, the vitamins work to repair damaged hair, while the natural oils nourish and hydrate. After 20 minutes, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Follow up with a gentle shampoo to remove any residue. As you dry your hair, notice the immediate transformation. Your hair feels softer, looks shinier, and exudes a natural glow. This simple, natural remedy is perfect for those seeking an eco-friendly, effective hair treatment. For best results, repeat this treatment once a week. Subscribe for more natural beauty tips and let your hair shine with nature's magic.